Hi Pisces, this is your message for the coming week, that is the 8th of February to the 14th of February. The Valentine's week. Let's see what Valentine's week has got for my dear Pisces. What messages want to come through for Pisces? Pisces, please take a deep breath. Allow yourself to be totally conscious and aware of whatever is in and around you. Feel the love, the oneness, the divine consciousness when you breathe in and breathe out any negative emotions that you are holding on to. Allow yourself to be totally free of attachments. Alright, Pisces, deep breath. Let's see what messages want to come through for you guys. Alright, you get imagine and then you have a leg up. You might be receiving support. For some of you, this could be from the guides, from your guides. We have guides all along our path. We have guides who are physically present in our lives. We have guides in our spirit world who help us, elevate us. Whomever you consider guides, any higher power that you consider your guide. God, goddesses, your gurus, from your lineage, your ancestors. Anybody can be your guide. Pisces, let's see what's coming in for you. Some sort of support, and you are being asked to believe that you will have the support you need. Pisces, one last chapter for you. We'll go with one more. Alright, yes. Pisces, let's see what messages want to come through for the coming Valentine's week. Alright. Okay. I saw this also, so we'll take both. Oh, okay. Alright, okay, let me show you the oracle first. You get imagine and then you get a leg up. Some sort of help. You see here, there is some sort of manifesting that is happening, I feel, for Pisces. If you guys are manifesting something, I'm not really sure, but we'll see what that is. You get the Judgment and the Magician. You are at, you may be at some sort of crossroads, but more than that, I do feel, more than you making a choice, I think you have some higher power that's helping you out to make some sort of choice or to manifest something in your life. Like, I feel like this infinity sign just came into focus, so I'm going to explain that to you. I just feel like you are so much in alignment with, like, whatever you're manifesting is what maybe the divine wants you to manifest, or something that brings you so much in alignment, like you are being called to be aligned more. In the recent past, you have the Three of Swords, the Ten of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. Some sort of heartbreak, some sort of heaviness that you may have put down eventually. some of you may be putting it down, but there is something changing there in divine timing for the good for you guys. I'll see what that is. So far, I see that some sort of pain was meant to happen for a reason, for you to grow, for you to evolve. It was like a lesson. We'll see. In the current situation, you have the Six of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, and the Chariot. You are seeking some sort of balance in maybe your own life, or maybe a partnership that you have. I somewhere sense that this is about you. It, at least so far, it talks about you. I don't sense a different energy here yet. But there is some sort of your mind may be uneasy and not getting a proper rest. We'll see why we have the Five of Wands here though. Alright, in the immediate future, you have the Knight of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Hermit. You do want to take action towards something, but I guess you are not. You are sitting, waiting it out and seeing what is it that your higher self wants you to do here. If you are not, I think that's what is expected of you, Pisces. Sit with yourself and wait. Whatever it is that the answers that you are seeking will come to you, but you need to learn to sit with yourself. It's for all of us, irrespective of any zodiac. Alright, let's see, why do we have the Wheel of Fortune? Can we have more clarity here, please? Alright. Can we have more clarity here, please? Wow, okay. Something that you may be thinking that this is over, but is it really over? Whatever burden or heartbreak or heartaches, whatever it is that you have been through, whatever sudden abrupt endings you have seen, giving you a different perspective. You are looking at things with a different perspective. Some of you may feel a little stuck there in that energy of heartbreak, of overburdened. There is something, it may not resonate with all of you, but I do sense some energy of coming back. For some of you, it could be a totally new energy. It will be completely new person. But for some of you, it could be an old person coming back. There is some sort of realization that's happened here. Yes. Some sort of realization, that's the right word here. Some sort of realization either on your part or on their side. Whoever has ended the relationship. Right? Okay, let's put this here. Just felt, imagine, and it is possible. So whatever it is that you're trying to manifest, just be in that manifestation energy fully. No negative energies. Feel it through fully and then detach yourself from it. That's how we manifest. Alright, let's see the Five of Wands here. Can I get some more clarity on the Five of Wands for Pisces, please? Okay. Wow. I think for some of you the conflict is over. Like whatever conflict, inner conflict or external conflict, whatever it is that you are experiencing currently is almost on the verge of ending. I don't sense this to be completely over for most of you. It could be for some, but for whomever this is not over, I also see you progressing. From the Page of Swords, you may be becoming the King of Swords. if it's your person, then it's your person who's maturing, who's growing up a little. A lot, actually. Yes, that's what I feel here. I don't sense any communication or message coming. Yes, whatever it is that you have gone through or you are going through, Pisces, I do think that you have grown. It has taught you a lot. You've become wise. It's helped you bring balance and helped you give and receive equally. It's made you victorious in some way, I feel. It's transformed you a lot. There's a lot of transformation that's happened here. All right. In the immediate future, I did mention that you have the Knight of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Hermit. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, a Virgo, a Gemini, a Scorpio, or a water sign. I think it's you. The water sign is you. Yes. Let's see. Let's see why we have the Hermit here. Clarify the Hermit, please. Maybe. Clarify the Hermit, please, for Pisces. Clarify the Hermit here, please, for Pisces. Clarify the Hermit here for Pisces, please. Let's see. All right. When you try to, instead of rushing in, instead of trying to make it work, forcing to make this work, instead of that, how about waiting for things to come when it's meant to come? I do sense that some of you are like curiously just exploring life, and I do sense a lot of different maybe your point of view towards your approach towards life entirely has changed. I do sense a different approach towards life altogether now. You have become more grounded. You may be currently feeling more grounded and wise and very giving. That's the true nature of Pisces, of any water sign, to give. Yes. But sorry about that interruption, Pisces. But yes, I was saying that I do see that you've grown a lot. You are a lot more aware of what you are doing. And out of awareness and conscious awareness, you are giving to others a lot. There is a lot of self-realization that has happened. All right, Pisces, that's the message I have for you guys. I think you are doing really great here. If not, you will be doing really great. So don't worry about anything. There is a right timing for everything in life. Whatever it is, it's always learning, and we are always evolving. Okay, Pisces, that's the message I have for you guys. Hope this resonated. If not, please watch for your moon, rising, Venus, or Jupiter. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This is your reading for the 8th of February to the 14th of February. I hope you guys are really resonating with the messages that I give out. Please let me know if you want anything more in the comment section. I'm open to exploring with you. Let us explore things together. Any suggestions, any recommendations, I'm happy to listening. Alright, Pisces. See you soon, guys. Until next time. Bye bye.